Hello, I'm Nikhil from Madhus Garage Equipment, and today I would like to speak directly to our customers. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to all of you because you have propelled Madhus to our all-time highest turnover in the last financial year. We grew by almost 40% compared to the previous year. The last year was a very challenging year, but we seem to have sailed through. My father, who founded Madhus Garage Equipment more than 35 years ago and has been the managing director since, has now been elevated to chairman, and I accept the responsibility of being the managing director of Madhus going forward. I have spent the last 13 years working at the ground level in our industry. I have met tire shop owners, dealership owners, the managers of service at various car dealerships, and I have understood the ground reality of our Indian automotive service industry. And I understand the pain points, and that is why today in 2025, we would like to sort of promote the new vision of Madhus, which we call Madhus 2.0. Madhus is known for our customer service, and today that will not change. Today, Madhus has one of the largest service teams in the country. We have more than 100 service engineers who are servicing over 35,000 installations across India. They are backed by a customer call center in Bangalore, Delhi, and in Pune. And we also use a very professional CRM software to track every complaint. And all our service engineers know that they can rely on the company for good spare parts support. This is what Madhus is known for, along with high quality premium products. Going forward, Madhus 2.0 would also include more affordable products. We have wheel service equipment starting at 95,000 rupees. We have very affordable small equipment for the body shop like MIG welders, dent pullers, plasma cutters from the world leaders like GYS and Telvin. And today, for example, the new inverter spot welder from GYS, the PTI Neo, is probably the most affordable inverter spot welder you could buy for your workshop. And we are already ready with OEM approvals. And of course, while we promote our affordable equipment range for certain customers who are expanding in rural areas, we haven't forgotten Hunter. Last year, Hunter recognized Madhus as the top performing distributor in their international market. They flew my father and me to Florida for a weekend celebration of Hunter President's Club, and it was a very prestigious award that my father received. It was like a lifetime achievement award for him, and this further strengthens Madhus' position for Hunter products. It's very simple in India. If you want a Hunter wheel service equipment, Madhus is pretty much your only option, simply because of our long-standing service and capabilities and our very strong future with Hunter. And any equipment you buy from Madhus, you can be rest assured of world-class training, whether it is on-the-job training or training in one of our 3 lovely facilities in Bangalore, Delhi NCR, or Pune. We have almost all the equipment ready to go and delivered to your place. Today, whether you want a 15 lakh Hunter Road Force Elite, a rupees 2 lakh Chem wheel balancer, or a 95,000 rupee tire changer, or a 15 lakh Hunter wheel aligner, we have a product for you at every price point. We have also launched our own range of Madhus spray boots, which come in inbuilt with infrared dryers as standard. So we are going very aggressive in the market. We have invested heavily on equipment stock, and we have almost everything ready to supply for you. To summarize Madhus 2.0, we are more committed, we are more aggressive, and most importantly, we are flexible, and our commitment is to work with you. So once again, a big thank you to all of you for making the last financial year a great success. And I humbly request all of you to give us a chance to serve you more in the coming year. Thank you.